We've always journeyed around the world. We've filled the streets with the sounds and lifted our spirits at our very own congregations. We've always encouraged you to endeavor with us to sail in the sounds across countries. We've always delivered not only the music but entertainment in our families and our comfort zone. But now, there's a new journey we must take on together. To ride out these toughest times by staying indoors and staying safe. We hope you'll join us in that journey. Until we hit our doors with the sounds of excitement again. Enjoy the moment with your loved ones. Until we meet again on the other side, South Africa. Stay home. Stay safe.